evening guys, grabe na ka-busy sa article guys. Articles, reels. Daghan na gid guys ang mga customer na naabot. Ano ni mga trabahan diri guys, alert kay ini sila sa mga kuan, mag-assist sa mga customers sa articles reels. Magbiin niyo tanan no. So daghan na kay ni parking guys oh. Mga motorcycle. Motorcycle was parking here, articles rails. So I assisted this customer to park, included the vehicle here. The customers get inside the articles rail, and he also take a dinner this night. So guys, please remember follow my video and like and subscribe. So this is Apple Panda guys. For arrival my EFR post, I conducted to monitor my EFR. So all security guard announcement. So my friend, alert your duty and monitor always your area of responsibilities guys. This is my EUR clear and normal, so I'm not sleep this duty because many customers arrival usually guys. So in the highway, many vehicle passed going to Malibalay City. So guys, my name I'm Joe Busio. I came from my place Diliran, Portuguese, Valencia City. I'm work in here as a security guard, articles grill. So that's all guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much my friends. Bye bye. I love you all.